In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create order form in Google Forms. Start by heading to forms.google.com. On the start page, choose blank form to build from scratch. If you see a template that suits your needs, you can use that instead for a quicker setup. Give your form a clear title and short description so people know exactly what to do. For example, title it Order Form. In the description, write something like, "Please fill out this form to place your order. We'll contact you for confirmation." Keep it friendly and straightforward. Next, add your customer information fields. Click the plus button on the right to insert questions. Create a short answer question for full name, another short answer for contact number, and another for email address. For delivery address, choose the paragraph type so customers have room for full details. For each important question, toggle required to make sure you get all the information you need before the form is submitted. Now add your product selection. Insert a new question and pick the format that matches how you sell. Multiple choice is great if customers should pick just one product. Checkboxes work if they can order multiple items. Dropdown gives a cleaner, compact list. Use a clear prompt like, "What would you like to order?" Include options such as product A, 500, product B, P750, and product C, P1000. Adding prices right in the option text helps customers decide without confusion. Add a quantity field next. Create a short answer question titled Quantity. To reduce errors, use response validation and set it to accept numbers only. This helps prevent typos like words or symbols slipping in. For payment method, add a multiple choice question and list the options you accept, such as Gcash, bank transfer, or cash on delivery. Keeping this as a single choice question avoids conflicting selections. Before sharing the form, open settings using the gear icon. You can choose to collect email addresses if you want an automatic record of contacts. If your form is public, turn off limit to one response so anyone can submit. Add a custom confirmation message. For example, "Thank you for your order. We will message you within 24 hours. Click Save. To apply your changes, make it look polished by clicking the palette icon. Adjust the theme color, add a header image, and upload a logo to match your branding. When you're ready, click Send to share. You can copy the link, shorten the URL for easier posting, send it by email, or embed it on your website. That's it. Your Google Forms order form is ready to collect orders.